Abel Arinze Close in Oka have lamented the continuous flooding of the area whenever it rains, attributing it to the poorly constructed channeling of a drainage system in an ongoing construction project. Correspondent Chibuzo Obidike reports.
When ABS news crew got to the close, residents of the streets were seen in their numbers trying to salvage what is remaining of their damaged properties after last night's heavy downpour. Speaking with the ABS, Mrs. Ebelechuku Onyama, who was forced out of the house with her 3-week grandchild, called on the state government to save them from the consequences of the poor channeling of the drainage system.
Milika igululu wee pụta n'ebe anyị nọ kịta onye romono ife anyị ji wee pụtaba ife a bụ ka mmala ebe ọzọ m ga-eduba tinye isi maka ọmụgwọ ka m bịa ana m ayọ soludo no solution ka ọ bụ nya abịaba ka ọ bịanyere anyị aka na ife emebinarịkwa anyị n'ogbe a.
A couple who also reside in the streets, Mr. and Mrs. Abel Arinze, told ABS that they had written to the Ministry of Works on the matter and received their assurances that the drainage between their streets and the Solution Fund City will be properly channeled to put an end to the flooding.
Nabane, Camille no Azovel, Milan will to my fence. I took what I made this small gate, I should know wherefore the gate, him go that million, watch the gate, and you want to keep for ladder. All this ladder can be doing no fence. I went with it, with Bazaro Maka, where you get
as a fish pond, animal, Mangua, and Jebu, and all credit can nebule, Hanchanino, where's in camp for Millibook or Hanchanine Bubani in the stadium. Because no Waka and Yelani, Signalani.
Another resident, Mr. Henry Akuna, called on the state government to quickly prevail on the contractor to intervene and save the streets from further damage.